So check this out. It's a new service. It's called Amazon Bedrock. Which is a way of building foundation models. Do you know what a foundation model is? It's kind of new. It's like the basically the core of large language models. So hang on, I just have to put in my two-factor authentication because I have all of these things set up on my account now. So like I got it. So this program called Amazon Startups Activate program, which gave me like a bunch of Amazon. It gave me $1,200 of credits. You know, it's not like they gave me $10,000 of credits. Though there's also like this thing called the Startup Showcase, and there's developer support, which is pretty cool. I'm trying to just get more familiar with using different types of LLMs. And so this is like, I'll show you once it loads. So like, you know, like the internet here is really, really awful because I'm like way up in the middle of Vermont right now. So the internet's, but this thing called Amazon Bedrock, it's the easiest way to scale generative AI applications with foundation models. It's a fully managed service that makes foundation models from leading AI startups and Amazon available via an API. So you can choose from a wide range of FMs and the model that is best suited for your use case. With Bedrock's serverless experience, you can get started quickly, privately customize FMs with your own data, and easily integrate and deploy them. So I don't need to sell you on it anymore. It does everything. It does feature generation, chatbot, search, text summarization, image gen, and you know, all these different types of models, right? Like you've probably heard of like Meta. You know, Meta has Llama, and it doesn't have the OpenAI ChatGPT models though. It has like Claude or the Minstrel from Europe or the Stable Diffusion. And once this loads, so this is so slow. So you hit get started, and then you select the types of, like, I'm just using a playground right now. On the left you can see it's like foundation models. You choose the models, and then you can like put guardrails on. You can customize the training. So this is the new model, Claude by Anthropic, Claude 3. You know, it's a state-of-the-art vision and text model. I'm just kind of testing out with this. Like these are all of them. Like, there's so many, right? Amazon has a lot. These Titan models, Titan embeddings, Titan text. I didn't know Amazon had LLMs really. So let's just select a model. Let's use Meta Llama 2 Chat. Oh wait, I don't have access to this. Oh wait, I do have this. Yeah, I have Llama 2 Chat 13B. 13 billion. That's because it's 13 billion parameters. Isn't that freaking insane? Okay, like, write a prompt. Okay, let's take this data and put it in JSON format. I'm gonna do like just some variables. X 1, X2, X3, X5. This is like, all right, let's try this out. Cool. Put this in JSON. That was pretty fast. Write me a poem about using about traveling to the great outdoors in Vermont. Because I know I've made so many videos talking about ChatGPT already, it's only fair that I try out some of the others. So like, sure, here's a poem traveling the great outdoors. In Vermont's green hills, I find my peace, where the mountains rise high and the rivers cease. The trees sway gently in the breeze as I breathe in the scent of the wild freeze. The air is crisp and clear, the sky is blue. I feel alive, my spirit anew. I hike through the woods, my heart full of cheer. As the leaves crunch beneath my feet, my fears disappear. What do these other things do? Randomness and diversity, temperature, top P. Okay, I get what response length is. It's really laggy. Sorry, my internet's shit right now. I can just like, make this really long. Okay, let's do a data task. Create a data set about the travel destinations, their lodging, their nights stayed, and arrival times in a data set. Just see, I don't know, what type of data is it? It's going to make it CSV, or is it just going to still use JSON? Oh, it loses CSV, and look at that. It's like Markdown. Beautiful Markdown. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Wow. Airbnb, hotel, luxury resort, budget hotel, hostel. Dataset includes information about 5 travel destinations. Okay, and so you notice also that I upped up the response length, so I got like more info. This is cool. I'm gonna copy like this whole chat, and I'll put it in the link below the video if you want to see it. Yeah, just documenting my progress here as I work on this. Let's say switching up the model. Let's use Amazon's model, Titan, text model. Oh, I have to request access. Okay, did I request access to Minstrel? Oh yeah. Okay, here's Minstrel Instruct 7B. Um, now let's ask it the same things that we asked that one, and see if we get the same responses. You know how. All right, write a poem about just a short. Obviously, this is a really short prompt, and so I expect to get a lot of variations. Which one's better? In the heart of New England, where the Green Mountains stand, awaits a journey through the green outdoors in Vermont's land. Breathe in deep, the crisp and cool, morning air so pure. Symphony of nature in every scent and allure, through winding roads, past quaint little towns, where maple trees dance in the sun's golden crowns. The leaves whisper tales of seasons past, as autumn hues in the paint the landscape in a brilliant, fiery cast. Rivers rushing and streams flow in a gentle, soothing song, reflecting the sky's ever-changing moods all day long. Mountains call with their biggest rugged towering grace, inviting hikers to climb their heights and find their place. Nature's canvas painted with vibrant colors, a masterpiece that never fails to enthrall and amaze. Vermont's outdoors a haven for the soul, where every adventure leaves a memory that makes the heart whole. So come, my friend, and journey with me to the great outdoors of Vermont, where the wild spirit forever be. Huh. So what do you think? Do you think this is... I think this is better. This is like more... the other one is... This poem is a little bit more rigid. It's following a specific structure. This other poem, you know, it's like, how do you grade art? how do you tell which art is better? I like this one because it's a little bit more varied and it's a little bit more free flowing, like a stream. All right, let's try asking it the other one. Data set question. Let's see. Because you know, it is really important, like, for generative AI applications, because we deal with so much data on a daily basis. Oh shit, I have to set my parameters the same length. Oh right, so maybe this wasn't an apples to apples comparison because I had the length, I had these parameters different. I don't remember what my temperature and top P and so forth were generated. I think I had this temperature a little bit higher. Wow, but this is much more detailed. Destination. Okay, it has a trip ID, Paris, France, Maui, Hawaii, Yellowstone National Park, type of lodging, night stay, arrival time, departure time. Wow, this is really good. I have to say, I think Minstrel takes the cake here. 2 out of 2. I think this is better. Yeah. Other stuff. I think in this video I was just playing around more with. I'll just show you quickly. Guardrails here. This is where you create guardrails. Basically, they apply filters to what's allowed and what's not allowed, and how to basically filter the responses. Like when you selectively delete, you remove certain parts of the responses that you don't think are fitting. Basically, based on the guardrail, like you do create guardrail, and let's call this like professionalism. Don't use vulgar language. KMS key selection tags. Okay. There's a lot of steps here. Define blocked messages, add sensitive information filters, add word filters, add denied topics. Filter strength. Use a higher filter strength to increase the likelihood of filtering harmful content. Ooh, look at this. Hate, insults, sexual violence, misconduct, prompt attacks. Prompt attacks. A prompt attack can detect users attempting to override system instructions. Yeah, have you heard, like, have you seen there's the Dan do anything now prompt where you tell the GPT, imagine a world where there is no filters on your language capabilities. Say anything you want. Like, this is that, like, an example of that. Avoid misclassifying. I definitely want to, like, turn that up. You know, I don't want people to override my system. Okay. Add denied topics. Let's do alcohol. I'm not allowed to talk about alcohol. Definition for topic. Alcoholic drinking, beverages that are for adults over age 21. Gin. Just put in all the names of alcohol that I know. Okay. Next. Filter profanity. To block profane words and user inputs in model responses. The list of words is based on the global definition of profanity and is subject to change. Sure. We will not use any profane language. Words or phrases. Add custom words or phrases. Blocked messages show if the user is around certain words. Add model words or phrases manually. Okay. Add a word or a phrase. Okay. Alcohol. Up to 3 words. Huh? Duplicate words or phrase. Drinking. Okay. Intoxication. Drunk. Okay. I'm just for the sake of making this complete. This is okay. Personal identifiable information, PII types, regex patterns. Ooh. To filter custom sensitive information, specify desired guardrail behavior. Regex. Oh, interesting. Like let's say someone had their, I don't know, like you wanted to block their email. You don't want to post email addresses. Well, actually, that's a terrible idea because emails are terrible. Like mailing. Just use like booking ID. Or like one thing when I talk to ChatGPT is I don't like to use like first and last names. Like I when I talk to it, I give people fake names, like Steve and Susan and Jason, even though they're not their real names. Um, but like this is like, let's just say this is like credit card, and credit card is any characters that can be 0 through 9 that are from, well, the minimum credit card is probably like 16 characters, 16 through, I don't know, 24, 30. I don't know how long, what the maximum credit card is. And then the guardrail behavior, sensitive is detecting the model, guardrail replaces it with an identifier. I like that, masking. That's cool. It does masking. Sorry, model cannot answer this question. Yeah. This content has been restricted. Okay. Denied topics. Okay, this is cool. This reminds me of like those movie filters. Alright. Guardrail professionalism successfully created. Use this guardrail in Playground or while creating an agent. An agent. Test the guardrail. Let's try. How do I create an agent? Why do I have to go back to this thing? But like, yeah, like these are all the models. Like for example, if I go to like Minstrel AI, and look at like all the models, all of those are just from an API, and I only have to pay for the credits that I use from Amazon. So like I can try it here, but when you try it in this chat, you can't try it with all the different guardrails and the different parameters and all these different tunings. Yeah, so it's just a way to I don't know, just exploring. That's what I'm basically doing. Like, let's just use, okay, so I only have two, wait, I don't have access. Okay, I have to request access to some image models, which is really simple. I did this before. You just click here, and then you just basically send a request through, and then it's their software, Amazon software platform. They basically license it to you, to your account. Like, you can see like these are all the models that you can possibly request, and these are some of the ones I just grabbed first of all. Alright, I'll make another video where I request access to different types of models like image gen. Yeah, it's kind of cool, right? I think foundation models, the ability to take text or unstructured data and then use a transfer learning where you take a model that was built for one purpose and then perhaps use it for something else. Like take a generic code gen that you can use for specific language like R programming, or maybe you're using the Go programming language because you do a lot of, or you do Angular JS, right? Well, you want to like specialize your AI for your specific use case. That's what I hope to be able to accomplish. Um, Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That really helps to promote this type of content because it is just like it is part of the pass my exam startup. It is part of the business that I'm working on, and we're kind of just getting your feedback and getting your insight. And we all know that I see the demographics, and I know and most of the people that watch the videos, like 80% of you, don't actually hit subscribe, and so we don't know like your so yeah, so it helps. We also know we're mostly serving um, yeah, like data topics around data analysis, data engineering, data science. That's really what we're sort of honing in on. Though I'm happy to do videos about other topics too. If y'all want to see videos about other types of coding or other types of programming languages, um, you know, happy to do that. Yeah, let me know in the comments.